Samantala, hindi raw muna iimbestigahan ng Office of the Ombudsman si Senadora Laila De Lima kaugnay na umano'y pagkakadawit ito sa kalakaran ng droga sa Bilibid. Ayon kay Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales, puro alegasyon at wala pang matibay na ebidensyang mag-uugnay sa Senadora sa Bilibid drug trade. Bukod dyan, sinabi ni Morales na ipaubaya muna nila sa Department of Justice ang pagsasagawa ng preliminary investigation sa reklamong isinampa ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption laban sa Senador. Saka na lang daw sila magsasagawa ng investigasyon kapag naisampara sa kanila ng DOJ ang naturang reklamo.
It's not going to happen because lahat naman allegations itong mga ito wala pa namang lead talaga na that would prompt us to initiate our investigation. And besides, there's this alleged complaint filed against her by by whoever was instrumental in filing the complaint. It was filed at the DOJ, and the DOJ should be given the opportunity to conduct fact-finding investigation. And if it's necessary, and if they believe that there is reason to conduct further investigation, or for us to conduct preliminary investigation, then the case will come to us.